Hey y'all, it's your girl Megan. Just wanted to pop in with a very quick get ready with me, which technically, as you can see, it is a finished getting ready with me. I was working on my makeup. It was coming out really good. If you new here, you will be pleased to learn that I am still learning how to do makeup. So it has been a really fun journey. And I have been meaning to show you guys some products, okay? But today, after I got finished with my foundation and concealer, contour, everything, it was coming out really good. Started working on my eye look. I was so pleased with the results, and I was like, I'm gonna pop on really quick and show the ladies some of the products that I am liking. Now, guys, I'm gonna come in a little bit closer. I want you guys to see my eyes. I wanted to show you guys what I have been having so much fun with, which is the Miss Rose Professional Makeup Set. Y'all, I am in love with this set. So I had to come on and show you guys my entire eye makeup look, plus my blush and my contour, all came out of this one palette, y'all. For real, I love it. I did my contour right here. And you guys see I'm dipping down to see the camera look. This one is for my blush, and I did that at the eye as well. And then I splashed in, I still have, this has like a little silver piece over it, which I like to keep so I can keep them separate since these are shimmers down here, you guys. But I use this one for like the glittery look that you see. So I use that one for that. Y'all, I had to come and show you guys this set. Now, oh wait a minute, hold on. I didn't even mean to close it yet. So this set, as you can see, I hope you guys can see this pretty good because I cannot see the front of the screen. But this set has a variety of contours, highlights, and blushes in it. And actually, this one, I almost forgot to mention, this one down here, it almost like it picks up whatever pigment it needs to. So this one actually is in, like, this is a highlighter. And that one I use like right in here, you guys. And on the tip of my nose. Love it down, y'all. So I wanted to show you guys this. I did get this one from Amazon. I just really love this set, okay? And so I wanted to show you guys that. And then I also wanted to show you guys my finished look. We are going to get into the I have been really into the matte lip glosses. So this is the matte set that I have, you guys. Also from Amazon. And so I'm going to get into a cute little matte look for date night to match my makeup. And then, you guys, I am going to be popping on some magnetic lashes. I am in love with magnetic lashes. Now this set, I really like this set, y'all. This set does come with actually 4 of the liners for the magnetic liner dip, and then as you guys can see, all the different sizes of the lashes, girl. Okay, listen, like whatever you need, whatever style. And I'm so new to lashes, makeup, all of this, you guys. So I really love this kit because it lets me, when I'm still getting used to lashes and I'm trying to do something light, I can do so much the shorter ones. If I want to get a little more flirty like I'm going to do tonight, I'm probably going to try to maybe dip into this one. And so we will see. But I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I have been getting lately from Amazon. Now that I have been trying to learn how to do my makeup, these items have been so great. So yeah, just want to show you guys this stuff, and we will be back and I will show you guys my finished look. I find that if I go ahead and do my inner eye area and also the edge of my eyelid as well as my wing with my standard liquid liner, that just gives me a better result than doing it afterwards, because that way it reduces any kind of like fallout with the liner. If you know, you know. There have been some times, y'all, for real. So I like to do that first, and then I like to come in with my liquid liner for the magnetic lashes. Now, I love this formula. It's very, very smooth. It's not too clumpy. And I love the applicator. It's really thin. It's actually the same exact size as my standard liner brush, which for a rookie like me is absolutely perfect for me to be able to make sure that the magnetic liner is going in just the right spot, so that I can place my lashes in just the right spot as well. I am not a big lash glue girl, just not my thing. So I did fall in love with the adhesive lash and also the magnetic lash. Now I love this set because it comes with so many varieties, as you guys saw earlier in the video, for lengthwise and also like fluffiness wise, which I think is so fun. Babe loves a beautiful lash, so I really wanted to put on one of the cute ones that was nice and long from the bottom. And so we're gonna do that here. And I really love these. They're super lightweight, very, very comfortable, just a wonderful lash to use. And so that is just me getting those cleaned up. Absolutely love these, so pretty. And so next is time for our lips. So I wanted to go with this gorgeous burgundy matte lip that comes in this set. I really, really love this color. And it's crazy, y'all, because I have never been into a matte lip. But then you think about it, I've never tried it either. This set has been a game changer in me even just wanting to do my makeup, y'all. I have absolutely fallen in love with this particular color especially. But guess what, y'all? As excited as I was to wear it, it doesn't match the dress. So I did a little bit of a patch test for colors because I wanted my lip look to kind of match the dress more with the pinks in the dress. So I went ahead and took that off, and I was very careful to try not to mess up my foundation around my upper and lower lip area. And then I went in with one of the pinks, and I've never worn this pink before. And in fact, y'all, I have never worn a pink liner or a pink lip before, period. Like, I don't know why. Don't ask me. Either way, I was like, let's do pink. And the brown liner obsession still dribbled through when it comes to, let me just put a little bit of a deeper pink on the edges. So I definitely still dabbled into a line of some sort. I wanted to try to kind of soften it a little bit. So I did try to come on in with it on the edges, but then also trying to blend it down a little bit and just kind of work it into the look, make it not so heavy. I saw some tutorials about using a lip brush. So this is one of the first times I've ever actually done that. Love how it came out. And so this is just me going in and cleaning the look up. I feel like as a rookie, especially as a makeup beginner, if you need to clean the look up, girl, clean it up, honey. It's day night. I really wanted to look really nice. This dress has a very significant meaning to me. And me and my honey were going out, and I really, it's finally warmed up. I wanted to look really good. Girl, put that extra step in there. Girl, look, you see me, if you gotta wipe it off, wipe it off. But baby, make sure it is hitting for what you need to hit for, so that makeup look can absolutely eat, okay? I may just be a rookie at makeup, but honey, I'm telling you right now, it makes a difference when you just make sure that you look absolutely beautiful, that you want to look at yourself like I'm looking at myself right now. Period. Okay. Girl, let's get into these locks now, because the next thing I needed to do, we can't go out and get scarf, honey. We can't do that. Not at all. So after we made sure the lips and eyes were perfectly in place, it was time to get that ponytail together. Y'all, this is my waterfall ponytail. I love this ponytail so much. When I really want to kind of lift my hair up a few inches and reduce some of the, just the drama I go through sometimes with long hair. I like to put it in a waterfall. I like to take 3 or 4 locks, wrap them around the rest of my locks, tuck them in nice and tight, similar to a ponytail holder itself. tighten the ponytail, and then I like to stand up and distribute the weight evenly so it's nice and comfortable. I love this ponytail because it makes me just feel adorable. Once I'm in that upright position, I'm just spreading the hair out. It's like, oh, okay, yeah, that's it right there. And so, you know, the feeling yourself activates with that ponytail. I love this ponytail so much, and it just makes me feel so adorable, so ready for a fun date night out with my honey. I hope you guys were able to enjoy this video. This is my very first get ready with me and my first date night video. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments. I look forward to hearing from you, and I will check you guys out in the next video.